warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group A4AS120421, and in this video we are going to talk about wireless communication system. But before we start, let me introduce our group member. Our group consists of 6 members, which is the first one, Niknur BALQIS, next NURUL FARHANA AWATIF, BALQIS, HANI MAISARAH, me NOORALYA NATASHA, and the last one is SOFEA.
On this topic, we will learn concepts and types of wireless communication system and how does it works. Now, let's move on to the next slide. Introductions. Wireless communications involve transmitting voice and data without the use of cables or wires. Instead of physical connections, data is sent via electromagnetic signals that are broadcast from transmitting stations to various intermediate and end-user devices. Radio waves are a type of electromagnetic wave that travel through a medium. In wireless communication systems, this medium is free space where the speed at which the waves propagate is equal to the speed of light. So, we will move on to the concept of wireless communication systems, types of wireless communication systems, and how does wireless communication systems operate.
So, this is the concept of wireless communication system. Wireless communication is wireless telecommunication that uses electromagnetic waves, magnetic field, and also electric field. Telecommunication that uses radio waves enables long-distance communication in order to allow lots of data to be transmitted. Therefore, radio waves are used in most wireless communication systems. Wireless communication systems that uses radio waves are configured to use space as the transmission path to send data on radio waves, a signal from transmitters to receivers, as shown in the pictures below. So these are the types of wireless communication system. First, we have Bluetooth, GPS, mobile phones, Wi-Fi, radar air traffic control, and also television broadcasting.
Wi-Fi is one of the wireless communication. The radio used in Wi-Fi are a form of electrical energy that can be used to send information over long distance. When you access the internet on your device, it converts the information into binary code. Binary code is the language for computer. When you click on the article, your request is translated to the binary code and then translate into wave frequency by Wi-Fi chips. The frequency travel across the radio channel and received by the Wi-Fi router in our device. And then it converts the frequency back into binary code in our computer. It translates the code into the internet traffic that you request. It will repeat until you load the article completely. Bluetooth is also wireless communication. So what is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless system for connecting devices together. So how does it work? First, when two devices connect together by Bluetooth, they form a personal area network, also known as piconnets. Second, the device communicates automatically without needing human input. The device exchanges data via low power, short range radio wave. The Bluetooth device sends low power signal only about 1 milliwatt. And lastly, this weak signal limits the range of Bluetooth device to about 30 feet.
Next is cellular network. Cellular network is a radio network spread over land using cells, each with a fixed location transceiver called base station. These cells work together to cover larger area with radio signal. How does it work? It works by a device will connect to the nearest cell tower using radio waves. Then from the tower, it will send the data to the data center via underground cable. The data center then routes the data to service and waits for a response. After getting the response, the data center will send it back to the tower by again the underground cable, which then transmit it to the device via radio waves. So here's the picture below show how does the cellular network works.
Next, satellite communication. A communication satellite is an artificial satellite that relays and amplifies radio telecommunication signals via a transponder. It creates a communication channel between a source transmitter and a receiver at a different location on Earth. Most communication satellites use radio waves located above 1,000 km, which low Earth's orbit. Communication satellites use a wide range of radio frequency between 1 and 8 GHz. Many applications are used communication satellites such as television, telephones, radio, internet, and military applications. How radio waves work in satellite communication. People communicate to a satellite using an antenna or a satellite dish on the ground called an earth dish. A satellite dish is a dish-shaped parabolic antenna designed to receive or transmit information by radio waves to or from a communication satellite. The Earth station sends up radio signals called uplink to the satellite. It receives these signals, make them stronger, and process the information coming from the signals, then retransmit them back to Earth's downlinks. Satellite communicates by using radio waves to send signals to the antennas on the Earth. The satellite uses solar energy collected from large arrays of solar cells, which supply the satellite with all the electrical power it needs to function and transmit to Earth, and a small amount of fuel is used to maintain it in the right orbit.
So, in conclusion, we can make is that wireless communication is a type of wireless telecommunication that relies on radio waves, which is electromagnetic waves as well as magnetic and electric field to transfer data without the need for wires or cables. Radio waves are type of electromagnetic radiation that have significantly longer wavelength than visible light. Most radio waves travel through Earth's atmosphere without obstruction. Below are the list of references that we use to get some information for our presentation.